From there. Good morning. Don't think Daniel know that he's not going on this flight. I think Leah know, but yeah. You gonna miss Daddy? Yeah. I miss you, yeah? Yeah, Leah's going to America and then you're going to Russia to see Grandma. What are you talking about? Your bag?
Yeah, the
Yeah, you
bag.
have to clear them in New York.
New York.
Remember when you come out, as soon as you pick them up, you can just check them on back for go
Yeah,
Russia.
I will.
Because
Yeah,
so
we'll
you're not full.
transfer them.
Yeah, so you're not full go cross.
Oh, I'm afraid.
Afraid.
I'm anxious.
Yeah. You're gonna miss me? Oh,
Yeah.
remember you have the COVID, you said?
Yeah. I'm just trying to not to cry.
Don't cry. Nobody make me cry. Not the last time. Hopefully Danny make me not cry this time. Oh my God. So this is
My sunglasses.
Leah and Danny's first time I'm gonna be apart. So I don't know. You ever miss Danny too? Yeah. You miss Daniel? Yeah. Danny still Danny don't know how to go anything, so that really make me wonder. So I gotta put the I put the glasses.
In case I'll start to cry, I'll just hold them so people don't see me cry. But I just don't like to wear them with a mask because they're gonna sweat. Well, I will always keep them here.
Me alone and Daniel. You trust him for so long to manage with him?
I'm here. I'm just afraid that how he will react.
Yeah, he's never been without his mommy.
And the way he's running to the register desk.
I'm excited like a young Yeah,
Yeah.
I think I'm a plan. But there's a sad surprise coming up. Danny? Danny?
Where are you going to be?
You want to go down there? You want a good departure? You're not departing, no, Danny. Didn't say I'm not depart. So you guys are probably wondering why me and Danny not making this trip. Well, Daniel's American visa expired. And that is the main reason. As even though we could have probably fly through Germany, it seems to be a lot of complications going that way. So we just decided to miss a complications with getting the ticket to Swaggy City from that side. So we just decided to make Swaggy go with Leah and I take care of Danny. Danny, I miss mommy?
Evite tocar cualquier superficie innecesariamente. Lávese las manos regularmente con agua y jabón o use la estación de desinfección más cercana. Gracias por su cooperación.
Good job, Daniel. Good.
Good. Here I got to go.
Okay.
Where are we going? Oh guys, just to show you,
Don't
there's this, what is passenger disclosure?
Attachment.
Yeah, there's this form you have to fill out now, different from the COVID test. if you need to fly. Danny?
She teared it.
Yeah, oh, she's here. Oh.
For him, you write your name here. Check his third box, you write his name. Only here.
So here guys, this is the farm I'm telling you about. Well, I guess let me get the airport. So you sign this. Danny, what you say? You say Danny? Danny just seems so excited. So Sagi, see? Your ticket here, so your ticket here with the you can't lose this here for your bag them.
Oh, yeah.
So don't trade them. Get all the way to your city.
Papa, I have to go to the toilet. You can
Yeah, me see you wait for you. Just put it come out yeah, go on, me wait for you right there.
Huh?
I'll wait on you right here. Go down this one. So you come out of the way here?
I follow your blog.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Mom, is there anybody you want to big up? Sorry for put you on the spot.
Oh, hey, no man, I'm good. I'm just here with my daughter. But really and truly, it's really very interesting.
Thanks.
Following your blog, really and truly. Really, and I wish you family all the best.
Yeah man, thanks. I appreciate it. Thank you. Swaggy. Lots of love, guys. Oh, yes, so guys, big up all of the patrons them that has been. I know it's not for the moment right now, but my stuff will be going up for those who have been checking up on us. It's just the struggles. Alright. So guys, the kids and Swaggy gone at the bathroom. Normally me have a lot to say. Hopefully don't blame me for this vlog. We just kinda not have nothing to say. Honestly, I feel out of place in my mind. I just not there in the space to think, I guess. Then for anxiety, because I realize that now it's me and Daniel for a couple months. I'm not worried because I can't hang with Daniel. I just don't know how he's going to react to not having his mother. And him just said tomorrow he's excited. So he actually thinks he's going to go with them on the plane. Or he actually thinks all of you go on the plane. So he's excited, but just Leah and Swaggy. So I don't know how I'm going to do with that. Even if I'm not show it when I'm more than likely I just think I'm going to show it. Now when I'm going to through the departure gate. Or the departure here, let's say. Yeah. He might start crying. Or maybe not cry yet when he reach the car or when he reach home. I don't know. So kind of watch how I'm going to react. Because Lionel is everything for Daniel. Everything. And they've never been separated, so that for him now, I don't know how I'm going to do with that. Because if he wake up, he have to wake up Leo. If he have to bathe him, he care Leo. Trust me, there's nothing Daniel does without Leo. So this definitely going to be a whole emotional roller coaster. And especially if you meet, I'm going to miss Swaggy. Bad. I'm going to miss Leo bad. Last time all three of them go left me cry like a baby. I guess maybe Danny will stop that. Swaggy.
I don't know.
Leo, come here. Come here, Leo.
I don't know how Danny will react.
Me too. Same to me just talk about me, I know how I'm going to react.
That's my biggest fear.
Mine too. If I'm going to show it now, but I'm thinking I'm going to show it now because I realize it.
Because I'm well excited and I think I'm going to take him with me though.
Yeah.
But I think if I would travel with Daniel and left Leo with you, it wouldn't be so painful.
Yeah, because Leo more mature.
Leo doesn't mind to stay in Jamaica. He loves Jamaica, I know Cheerios.
Yeah. Leo, you going to miss Daddy? Yeah, I'm going to miss you too. Take care of mommy for me, yeah? How about Daddy? Daddy's going to stay with Daniel. Why? But this will come back here.
Alright, Tara, let's go.
Hi, Leah.
I need to go to the now because a lot of people are going to start crowding the place. Yeah. I don't know. I wish me luck.
I wish you would look. Yeah, see that Jamaica.
I never found it.
Danny? Danny?
Oh, milk cry. Yeah. Alright.
Take yourself and leave here.
Yeah. Hey, you take care of Daniel. Come back shortly.
Danny?
Su atención, por favor. Recuerde con las instrucciones.
Tell mommy over here, Danny.
Love you, Daniel. I'll come back with toys. Mommy, it's for you.
Mommy, come back with toys. Yeah, mommy, come back with
Bring you a
toys.
lot of nice gifts, okay?
Alright, come, Danny.
Alright.
Use una máscara.
Alright.
Try to escape. Can you tell him? I don't know. Try to distract him. Because I'm gonna cry. I'm calm. And I'll cry.
O use la estación de
Alright, I'm going there.
Bonito eso aquí. Aquí no vive.
Yeah.
Alright. Huh? What do you say? Can't come, Leo. You see you later, yeah? Wait, come here, hug Leo. Leo, hug Danny. Hug Danny, come here. Hug Danny. Leo, hug your brother. Hug your brother, no? Danny, hug him. Leo, hug Danny. And tell him later. Hug him. Danny, hug him. Hug him, Leo. Leo, hug your brother, Leo.
Leo, hug Daniel. Oh,
Yeah, Danny.
Leo.
Love you, Leo. Love you. Your daddy can't go there now. Yeah?
Daddy gonna come tomorrow.
See you.
Yeah?
I'll see you tomorrow, yeah? Promise, yeah? Yeah, man. I'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
Go because of the time.
I'm timeless, okay? I'm timeless. Yeah, I'm gonna get it for you. Danny? Yeah? You know, Danny? 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 Mommy will come back, yeah? Danny? Come here. Mommy will come back, Danny.
Iya mas, ya dua ya.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, Danny. Nice looking, yeah? Danny, okay? What's Danny? So some mommy and Leah, yeah? What's Billy? Yeah, still get mommy. Still get mommy. Danny, we call mommy, eh? Danny, say hello, mommy.
Oh, you know.
Make you talk to Danny. You want-
I
Danny,
don't hear you.
yeah, you know?
Hey, Daddy.
Wait.
Daddy.
Say hello, mommy.
Hello. Hey, Daddy.
Talk to mommy. Say hello, mommy. Say hello.
Love you.
I'm doing.
Airport.
I'm saying.
Airport. Okay. Alright, Era.
Sagi. Sagi.
Oh my God.
Okay, so I can still crank.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna hear you guys. I feel better. Well,
When in the area you feel better?
yeah. Yeah. But I'm gonna check some souvenir shop and Bali some toy so him not feel bad, you know? Happy.
Danny the cry for you, know?
Yeah.
Yeah, my
I
mommy.
think I heard some baby was crying. I think a baby was crying loud, and I think I know who was that baby.
No, Danny, yeah.
Or,
Yeah, we'll get Danny sometime.
alright, I'm gonna sort out myself. I can't make people see me that.
Alright, so Swaggy, pray for you up on the flight and safe flight, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, man, I will.
Love
so,
you.
Just take good care, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And I love you guys.
I love you, man.
And be safe, yeah?
Yeah, man, sure. You too.
Alright.
Remember, call me as I
Alright,
reach.
So yeah, when we reach New York, I'm gonna try to contact you.
Yeah, if you have internet. Yeah.
Alright.
Love you.
Bye.
Alright.
Love you. Daddy, love you too.
Danny, love you. Bye.
Adios, kasi pagkakapagkakap.
Wait. Bye-bye, Leo. Love you, Leo. Love you. Love you, Leo.
Alright.
Alright, Swaggy.